On, on top of a rectangular card with sides 1 and 2 plus root 3, an identical card is placed so that two of their diagonals line up, as shown in the figure. AC, that is this, in this case. Continue the process, adding a third card to the second card and so on, lining up successive diagonals after rotating clockwise. In total, how many cards must be used until a vertex of a new card lands exactly on the vertex labeled B in the figure? Look at the diagram. Here BA is given to be 1 and BC is given to be 2 plus square root of 3. Now if you do not denote this angle by theta, that is angle BCA is equal to theta, then tan theta is equal to AB divided by BC, and that is equal to 1 divided by 2 plus square root of 3. Now from our knowledge of trigonometry, we know that tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by square root of 3, and tan 30 degree is also equal to tan 2 multiplied by 15 degrees. So we get tan 2 multiplied by 15 degree is equal to 1 by square root of 3. We know that tan 2 theta, that is tan 2 theta, tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Using this formula, we get tan 2 into 15 degrees is equal to 2 tan 15 degree divided by 1 minus tan square 15 degree. Now, if you call tan 15 degree as x, we get tan 2 into 15 degree is equal to 2x divided by 1 minus x square. So, we get 1 by square root of 3 is equal to 2x divided by 1 minus x squared. By cross multiplication, we get 2 square root of 3x is equal to 1 minus x squared. Now bringing everything over to the left hand side and rearranging terms, we get x square plus 2 square root of 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in x with coefficient a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 root 3 and c is equal to minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4 into a into c divided by 2a, and that is equal to, by simplifying this expression, we get minus 2 root 3 plus minus square root of 12 plus 4 whole divided by 2, and that is equal to minus 2 multiplied by square root of 3 plus minus 4 divided by 2, or minus square root of 3 plus minus 2. Now tan 15 is positive. Why? Because 15 degree is in the first quarter and every trigonometric function in the first quarter is positive. Therefore, tan 15 degree has to be positive. So, out of the two values for x that we have found out, the only value that is valid is minus square root of 3 plus 2 or 2 minus square root of 3. The other value, that is minus 2 square root of 3 minus 4, becomes negative and therefore has to be discarded. So finally, we get tan 15 degree is 2 minus square root of 3. We have earlier found out that tan BCA or tan theta is equal to 1 by 2 plus square root of 3. But 1 by 2 plus square root of 3 can be simplified further by rationalizing the denominator, that is, by multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by 2 minus square root of 3. That becomes, the numerator becomes 2 minus square root of 3 and the denominator becomes 4 minus 3, which is 1. Therefore, 1 divided by square root of 2 plus square root of 3 is equal to 2 minus square root of 3. Therefore, tan theta is tan 15 degree or BCA is equal to 15 degree. Since ABCD is a rectangle, CD is equal to BA is equal to 1. Therefore, tan CBD, that is CBD, that is this tan of this angle, is equal to CD divided by BC, which is again 1 divided by 2 plus square root of 3. Hence, with the same calculation as done before, we get angle CBD is also 15 degree. So, this angle is also 15 degree. Therefore, angle ABD, that is this angle, is 75 degree and angle BAC, that is BA and C, this angle is also 75 degree. In triangle AOB, that is A, O and B, angle AOB is equal to 180 degree minus 75 degree minus 75 degree. Why? Because this angle is 75 degree, this angle is 75 degree. So, in this triangle, this angle will be 180 degree minus this triangle, this angle minus this angle. So, that is equal to 30 degree. So, the center angle AOB is 30 degree. Therefore, in the process of adding new cards, the center of rotation remains at point O, that is, it is rotated about this point, and the angle of rotation is in each step 30 degrees clockwise. Before going any further, please like, subscribe, share and hit the bell so that you can be immediately notified for new uploads. It is completely free and takes only a few seconds, and you can always unsubscribe later. Without further ado, let us proceed. Now in this diagram, we have continued rotation as before, and this is shown in the diagram. The vertex C moves progressively clockwise by 30° every time a new card is added and the diagonals are aligned. The angle BOC is 150°. That is, this angle BOC, that is this angle. Since this is 30°, this angle has to be 150°. So, after 5 new cards are added, the vertex C will move by 30° into 5, that is 150° to reach vertex B. So, in total, 5 new cards plus 1 original card, that is 6 cards will be needed in total, so that one of the vertex will fall exactly on B. That is the answer.